Welcome again to my channel, Organic and Hydroponic Urban Grow Pro. Friends, today we are going to talk about media bucket system of the hydroponic. In this video, I am going to explain you what is media bucket, what are the media we can use in it, how to make the simple setup for it, and what are the advantages of this system. All that information I am going to share with you in this video. So to know everything in detail, please stay connected to the video till the end. Let's start this video. So friends, what you can see over here is my media bucket system, and as the name explains, it is all this thing is contained into this buckets. Buckets and the media are the two main components. Now we know the hydroponic system which is run on the water, but many times we use different media in hydroponic, which is basically a soilless culture. So most common use is the coco peat, but coco peat has certain limitation, and those limitations will not allow coco peat to use everywhere. So instead of coco peat, we can use some of the coarse media and build this system. Now building of this system is very simple. You can take a buckets. In that bucket, you can make the siphon pipe like this. This pipe is bend over here up to here, and same arrangement is in the inside only. So this pipe will act as a siphon, and you can fill this bucket with the media. Here we have used the plastic bucket worth 20 liters. We have filled the media up to 10 liters, the halfway mark. You can see that we have used the clay balls as a media. Now you can see the clay balls. So this is the simple thing we need to build. Now clay balls are the round balls which are very porous and hold lot of water into it. So we are using the clay balls into this system. You can also use perlite, vermiculite, sand, rocks, anything you can use as per the plant selection. But this is a simple system. Now let us understand the water system. Now here you can see that we have a reservoir tank over bottom. From reservoir tank we have a pump which will lead the water to this pipe, and from this pipe we have taken a connections. All these connections are ended up with a small sprinkler, so it will spread the water all over the clay balls or the media. So this is the simple system for the supplying the water. Now when we start supplying the water, what will happen? The water will get stored up to this level into the pipe. Once it reaches to this level, this will act as a siphon, and then all the water will be emptied down. So this will make the two things. One, it will wet the stones up to over here, and then it will empty in the faster speed, will suck the air to the bottom. So this will create a very good environment for the root zone with a lot of oxygen. Second, whatever water is siphoning over here, it will be collected into this pipe. This pipe will work as a DFT system, and the excess of this water again goes back to the reservoir. So this is a closed loop system and recirculating system, and very simple to operate. Now the biggest advantage of this system, what I have explained, that a lot of aeration is there, so it will create a very good root zone and the plants will grow very well in it. Second advantage of this system is you can grow the bigger plants into this system like tomato, chili, brinjal. You can also grow muskmelon, watermelon, and if you take the big size of buckets, more than 20-25 liter, then even you can grow a small fruity plants like banana, papaya, everything you can grow into this system. This system is very flexible because the clay balls holds a lot of water. Also there is a thin layer of the water at the bottom also. So this system is proof against the power failure. Even in the case of power failure for the longer time, 3-4 days, your plant will survive with the bottom layer water. So it is very simple. These clay balls are absolute insulator, so your roots will not get heated up more into this system. All these advantage of this system make this system very useful. Now you can also make a small system of this type at your home garden and operate without the pump with the manual pouring of the water and draining the water daily. It's a very simple system which you can build yourself at your home garden. So friends, how do you like the system of media bucket to grow the plants hydroponically? Please write me back into the comment box. And if you like such system, please give me the thumb. And you also prepare one small system for yourself into your balcony or the small terrace garden and grow the healthy plants. Happy growing!